Minister has to open his mouth. Manipur.
You have to suspend all other business and take up this, not half an hour. Manipur is burning and the women are raped and naked, paraded, everything. And Prime Minister is keeping quiet. He is giving a statement outside. He is giving a statement outside.
Honorable members.
Reading 267, the first line. Page 92 says, rule be suspended in its application to a motion to the business listed before the council of the day. The rule in question shall be suspended for the time being. This means no other business till 267 is discussed first. Where is 176 come into this? There's no 176. It is on 267 and we want a discussion here on Manipur. We want a discussion and the Prime Minister has to open his mouth. Manipur. How can you
Honorable members.
the Prime Minister of India?
I am raising my hand and I am not given chance to speak on 267 rules. And 267 I have already given earlier morning 9 o'clock. I sent my people before that only so that others can give. You should submit because tomorrow you can say that you have not given the notice in time. So I have made my full efforts to attract your attention and give notice. But unfortunately, I am not allowed to raise this 267. And you know the Manipur is burning. And Manipur is burning. And the women are raped and naked, paraded, everything. And Prime Minister is keeping quiet. He is giving a statement outside. He is giving a statement outside.
Honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable members. I expect the leader of the opposition I will be constant if the house is not in order. Sir, let the house be in order. House is not in order. Sir. The house stands adjourned to meet on Friday, 21st July 2023